Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by enabling game space and adding your game. This places it under OnePlus performance controls. Once done, open Settings Utilities Game Space and toggle it on, then press plus to add the game app. Make sure auto launch and notification control are enabled so the system routes inputs and mutes distractions. You're beginning with control and entry points. This first step prevents pauses and gives game space permission to adjust CPU, network, and notifications when you launch the game. You now tune middle game settings to shape how the phone behaves. Open the game inside Game Space and pick Performance, Balanced, or Power Saver depending on battery versus FPS needs. Performance raises CPU/GPU priority. Once chosen, enable RAM boost and background freeze to keep background apps suspended and free memory for the game. Also adjust display options like refresh rate, HDR, and touch sensitivity for lower latency. These combined tweaks you finish by optimizing network and confirming shortcuts so gameplay is uninterrupted. Turn on network boost or set the game to high priority to lower latency. Then configure quick toggles for Fanatic mode, screen recording, and do not disturb so you can control them in-game. Once done, test a match to verify frame rate and ping. If problems occur, clear the game cache, update the app and system, or toggle game space off and on. This common troubleshooting step often fixes misapplied profiles or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.